This is our derma aligned machine. So this is a touch screen machine. We are having different type of operational mode over here: HydraFacial, Oxyfacial, body polishing, hair nourishing, light therapy and mesotherapy. The face panel provides LED light therapy which targets various skin tissues like acne, pigmentation and aging. Different light settings offer customized treatment for individual skin concerns. Lastly, the mist function offers a refreshing finish to treatment. It hydrates and calms the skin, providing an immediate cooling effect and enhancing the overall treatment experience. To start the mist, you can switch on the mist. In HydraFacial in auto mode, there are different type of mode. As we can see, like acne scar, active acne, skin smoothing, skin rejuvenation, sunburn, wrinkle removal and skin repair. In acne scar, you can set the time and power like this. Mist, for mist you have to on like this, and for the light, LED light you can on. After that, in auto, in manual we are having the different type of probes where we can adjust or customize the any program according to the patient requirement. Where do you have hydrodermabrasion, dermajet and face RF, oxyfacial, and these are the modes in oxyfacials. Third one is the body polishing. Body polishing we are having hydrodermabrasion, oxyfacial and another different type of modes like pain relief, acne treatment, skin smoothing, skin tightening, sunburn, acne scar and skin repair. As pain relief, we can set the time over here, set the power over here, and you can switch on the mist like this. Fourth mode is hair nourishing. Hair nourishing we are having hydrodermabrasion, dermajet and meso hair. These are the basic steps we are having in hair nourishing. One is light therapy. Light therapy we are having auto and manual. In auto you can see face, body, hair. In face we are having these features for according to the patient skin type. You can start with the treatment like acne scar, active acne, skin smoothing, skin rejuvenation, sunburn, wrinkle removal and skin repair. In body, the same: pain relief, acne treatment, skin smoothing, skin tightening, sunburn, acne scar and skin repair. In hair, we do have the time and power settings, mist and diode therapy. We can choose one for diode, like mist you can start from here, power you can start from here, and we can switch it on the mist like this, and diode intensity you can increase or decrease by 1, 2 and 3, and you can on like this. In manual mode we are having the different type of LED colors, so according to the patient concerns we can select the LED lights. In mesotherapy we do have face, under eye and hair. In face we are having meso face, under eye, meso hair, and otherwise in under eyes we are having meso under eyes, meso hair, as well as in hair we are having meso hair. So according to the time and power you can set from over here. Thank you for watching our video, and for more information you can schedule an online demonstration and please contact us on below number. Thank you for your time.